Somebody's already in the chat. Oh my gosh, I do. Yippee. Oh, and then I also remember I saw somewhere you can challenge. Oh, that's cool. Okay. Oh, wait. There's another thing that I wanted to look at. What is... Oh, I need Oh, maybe that's what I'm supposed to do. Okay, maybe if I didn't just skip through freaking reading things, I would have known what to do. Completed the thing. Okay. What is this? Oh? 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 Chef Great Drifter's Cloak. Hey, I saw this during Will's stream. Okay. That's my cousin, by the way, just in case. Oh! Naked Hornet? Hold up. Everybody... Wait. But, do you know... Okay, crazy. I don't care about the lore right now. I can do a lore run later. I'm gonna end stream, but I'll be back. Oh, okay, this will all be recorded, so let's just go. It does double damage.
Bruh.
Is this the closest bench? Okay, well now I know that that does that. So now I know. That was not very nice, sir. This boss is kind of easy, not gonna lie. I just like suck at the game, you know? So it's like... Oh, he did not like that. Oh, he did not like that. Oh, sucks to suck, I guess. Bro, your movement... Oh, I missed. Oh. Bro, his moves are so telegraphed. It's like... I don't know how to describe it, but he's just like very easy. Dang it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh wait, there's whatchamacallit, there's upty drafties now. Oh wait, I see what I need to do. Oh, I suck. There we go. Ow. Maybe that's not what I needed to... Oh, I need to get both of them. Oh, crap. Oh, wait, I can't be up there. Huh. 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 Shaw. Yeah, you suck, bozo. Light work. Easy boss fight. Was anybody here to witness it? No. It was just me. But that's okay, because it's all being filmed. You want to live. Ooh, a bench. See, why would I pay for benches when there's a bench right here?
Fatality.
Don't despair, pilgrim friend. Lift your side and raise your voice. Have no fear. Pilgrim true. Believing is a habit. 40 though. And how many do I have? Like 38? Give me more ants. I need more rosy thingies. I guess I was meant to head this way. Wait, that's like the, wait, am I now? No, I'm not. There we go. There has to be a queen ant up here, right? Surely. Pew! Oh. The heck? It's ugly. Crap. Okay, I should probably go back to that other place and bench, but because I didn't bench. I don't know why I didn't bench, but I didn't bench. Alright, well, mark my words. This is about to be a lock me in room. Yeah, shocking. What in the heck? Listen, gang. We can calm down. What? Oh. What? Okay. I hate these things. Frick. Okay, we're good. Alright, I'm leaving. Oh my gosh, I forgot. Oh, that is not fun. I forgot, I'm trapped. Don't sit on me. Oh my guac. It's okay, I'm getting good damage. Yes. No. Stop this, you tomfool. Are we serious? Come here. Yeah. Ow. Ow. Ah! Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Let's breathe. Ow. Let's calm down. Yes. Ow. Ow. I thought he was gonna go over me again. Okay, this is the hard part. Ow. I have to like keep track of so many enemies and so many projectiles. What? Thank you, Belle. Ah, why did he back up? I did not like that. Ah! What? Oh, yes, yes, wait. If this is the final guy, I could live. Come with me if you want to live. Stop. Oh! That was the final guy! Yes! Yes! I'm the best. I am the best. Oh.
Nice.
That is cool. We get wrecked.
Nice.
I did it. Wait. What is this? Money. That's what it is. Okay, is there gonna be a boss fight over here or something? Facts. What's this? Oh wait, I bet you I know where I am. Wait, do I know where I am? I probably have no. I have no clue where I am. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm a liar and a fraud, really. Boom, 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 boom. Got him up. Got him up. Sure.
Yes.
Adino. You want to go? That's what I thought, Buckaroo. Is what's her face this way? Nope. What's her face is in fact not that way. What's in face? Wait, it says there's a town this way.
Oh, Green Turds 11 in the chat says, "What have I missed?" So
Everything. I fought rats and birds. Huh? Ow.
Yeah. The birds were terrible.
Yeah. You should join the VC. Did that nerd just throw a bell at me? The audacity. Pilgrim Shawl. Whatever. Oh, Skib. Can't believe I missed the bird and rat battles. Huh? Yeah, I can't believe you missed that. And you call yourself a fan. Gosh. Green Turtles 11. Unbelievable.
Prepared to die.
I got them doggy paddles.
Wow.
No, you wouldn't put this over here unless there was secrets. I'll allow it.
Unless they want you to hunt for secrets constantly.
Bone scroll. That's my second one. I'm assuming I just sell that to some goober. Some absolute nerd.
Oh, have you done any of the quests that you've accepted?
Nope.
Bruh.
There was one where I was supposed to find a flea. There was another one where I was supposed to find a berry. There's just too many requests. What?
Every time you come across a skeleton, you can loot it.
Huh?
What? Let me in! Oh my guac. Unbelievable.
Maybe they're closed for the day.
Nah, they wouldn't close for me. Sir. Does that open that?
Yeah, Majestic Bear gets mad at how much I loot. He's like, you don't need to check that barrel, there's just gonna be one rotten carrot in it. And I'm like, well, I gotta check. There might be 2 pieces of gold or something.
Facts. Oh, hello.
That's what I think.
What? Oh, it's
What
a
is this
snail. It's a
guy?
snail. I didn't look at the thing, but I'll do it. Sure.
Wait, is it just a naked snail?
Yeah, look at the shell in the right.
That's so funny. That's the funniest guy.
Oh, I got the hunter's journal. Let's go. I was like a couple minutes ago. I was wondering if they had one of these in here, because I didn't want to fight the guys that like spin around with their little blades. But I was like, eh. Wait, it says there's secrets up in the right. Can I reach said secrets? Like I can. I'm gonna be honest. Whee! I just
Oh my word.
threw myself.
Birds.
Oh. That's not. Oh. Oh. Yeah, I just face take damage. It's a strat. It's actually a lifestyle to face take damage. What? Please tell me that hit. I know that did. Or at least maybe it didn't. Yeah, you suck. Come here, bozo. Yeah, that's what I thought. Let me out of here.
Help me!
Let me out of here. Thank you. Gosh. Ow. I was. Oh! Goodbye.
Bye!
Says there's a town this way. Towns have benches. What is that? Oh, it's another. Oh, it's a different one of those. No! My bench! Oh my walk. I'm trapped.
Help me! Help
There's
me!
only one way to go when you're at rock bottom. Oh, why does he have scissors? Stop that at once. I demand it. Come this way. Fool. Ankles. What the heck? What? Ooh, money. Get away from me. Oh, what? I wanted money. Bow, bow, bow. Yada, yada, yada. Yeah. You can't catch me, buddy. Brother, I'm the gingerbread man. Try. Wait, there was secrets back here, and I know it.
Secrets and I know it.
Prepared to die.
Ow! Leave me alone.
Nope.
You wish, bozo. Tears? Oh, hey.
Oh, that's like my favorite song from the Thurston game soundtrack.
Oh, yeah. It's also like the best place in the whole wide world. What the heck? They're showing me so many goodies that are locked behind bars, and it's like, why would you lock these excellent goodies behind bars? Unbelievable. What is that? Is that one of those rats? Is that a rat trap? Oh, I was hoping I could just go past it, or like go in and out of it or something. Winning.
You said you
Ah!
wanted secret. That was a
Ah! Oh. Ah. Should I say? Oh, I'm all the way back here. Oh my goodness gracious. Bow, 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 yada, yada, yada. Right? Is that a good
Oh, yeah.
hornet impression? Can't catch me, I'm the
You don't have
gingerbread
rights.
man.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure she would say that people don't have rights.
Oh my guac, I just broke that rat's ankles. Sir? Secrets? Secret tunnel. Secret tunnel. Through the mountain. Secrets? No. Was there secrets over here? No, but there was this. Oh, I walked right into that one again. Ow, so many rats.
Help me!
Oh,
Help
okay.
me!
You know what? It's been a long, good episode. I think I'm just gonna call it there, guys. I'm gonna be honest, okay? I can get my shade later. Farewell, YouTube, because yeah.